Free thinkers, repeat after me. I am a financially free crypto investor that is no longer a prisoner of the clock. Welcome back to Grow Rich, Grow Happy, everyone. That place where we follow those breadcrumbs to wealth. Today, I want to share something with you guys. I have put together a tip sheet for crypto called DCN, and it's actually called DCN into KASPA. But I am going to be removing the Casper name because you can insert any name you want. But for just as an example for this video, I'm going to call it DCN into Casper because I read some things about Casper today that I want to share with you guys. But more than that, when I put this together, I'm always trying to put things together for you guys and put it on over on my personal website. Links down below. The Future is Now website. Um, but the thing is, the reason I do that because I understand one thing. Everyone is at different levels in their lives when it comes to having investment know-how or experience. No one starts off at the same level. They were either taught from someone else or they learned it the old-fashioned way. Mine was a little bit of both. I've taught myself a lot of investing before I even had mentors to show me the ropes when it came to crypto, stocks, buying precious metals, and things of that nature. So I try to pay it forward by helping you guys by developing sheets like this. And I do have one coming for you guys that is going to be an exit strategy sheet. Now, uh, with that being said, the reason I want to use this sheet and put it up. A lot of you might look at this, especially you're more advanced investors out there. You know, I know you'll probably look at this like, yeah, this is a no-brainer. Yeah, I know how to DCA, but so many people don't. They don't understand that concept. And I know for me, DCN is what helped me walk away from a 9 to 5. Taking that slow, methodical approach toward my investment goals got me there. And I want to impart some of that on you guys today. So make sure you hang out through the video, check it out. Also, I have some deals down below for you guys. Those of you who don't have a cold storage wallet, now's a good time to get them while they still have them in stock. I use a Tangem and I also have a Ledger, but I use Tangem mostly and all the time pretty much because I feel you can do so much with it as far as Casper. I hold my Casper on my Tangem wallet and I can actually trade for Casper within that wallet. So I think you get the best of both worlds. You get security and you get to make your transactions within that secure atmosphere. So I think that's great. So I just want to show you guys a few things this particular video as we talk about Casper and we talk about something that I read today. This is your first time here to Grow Rich, Grow Happy. By all means, smash that like button, and all of my longtime subscribers, smash that like button. Show me some love. And if you haven't subbed yet, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? It's only going to keep getting better, and we're only going to keep getting more tight-knit. Also, before anything else, hit that bell notification so that you don't miss an upload. And with that, guys, let's jump over here and take a peek real quick before we jump over to my little sheet. Oh, one more thing I almost forgot. Check out the merch. Just keep buying the dip. Crypto law #1. Now, this is my own personal merch. I don't know if you guys noticed I was wearing the buying the dip t-shirt in my last one, as well as I got a lot of stuff coming for you guys. This ain't available for you yet, but it will be. It will be within the following weeks. There's a lot of cool merch. I guarantee this is merch you've never seen before. You've never been able to see merch and designs like this. So you guys make sure you check it out. Check it out. Also, let's just jump over here, guys. I've talked too much. Let's go. First thing we're going to check out, guys, is the fear and greed is at a 34. Pretty much the same as yesterday. Buying opportunities. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna beat this with it. I'm not gonna just beat this over the head today. Casper currently at 22, hasn't moved, and we're still in good standing. But look at that price, guys. Look at that. It's at 14 cents. Man. And I said I wasn't going to buy anymore. And I'm holding to that. I'm trying to hold to that because I have a lot of Casper. I'm trying to hold to that. I'm not trying to overload anymore. I have a big bag. But those of you who don't, make sure you stick around and check out my dollar cost averaging sheet because it's going to show you how to dollar cost average effectively. I did it for years. I did it for years, and this is the plan of how I did it. My step by step guide, and it really pays off. Okay, guys, for those of you new, you can get Casper on Uphold. That's where I was buying it, and you can get it on Mexi. I was buying it there as well, but now that I have all my Casper in a Tangent wallet, or I just have a Tangent wallet as it is, I can make my trades for Casper in it. All I got to do is pair it with Bitcoin, and I can trade for Casper right within the secure environment of Tangent Wallet. You can't beat that. Make sure you get one, guys, while supplies last, because as soon as crypto start heading to the moon, everybody's going to be trying to get these wallets, and they're going to be on back order because the Tangent wallet is one of the most used wallets, but it's always on back order because people are trying to get them. But right now, the market's cold. Everybody's running for the market, so I'm pretty sure they're available. Anyway, so this is great. Casper down 5%. Over 5%. The volume is down 14%. We're at a 3 billion market cap, so we're still a mid-tier token. We're not even a large yet. We're not even at the top yet, guys. So this is great opportunity. Really, really great opportunity. Take advantage if you can. Now, the thing I wanted to show you, though, right quick, is because if we look at the 1 month here, and we look at where we are now, I was reading an article today that said as far as making it to the bottom of the chart, we have, according to the TA, we've hit the bottom when it comes to Casper, and it touched off actually right here. This is what they're talking about right here. They're saying this could possibly be the bottom, and from there we could see a flash up to like 15.8. 15.8. Yeah, that's what they said. So either way, either it's 14 or 15.8, it's still a deal. It is still a deal. I mean, I'm not gonna beat it up. You guys know. You guys know. So we're gonna jump over here real quick because I want to talk this dollar cost averaging. Okay, guys. When I first started getting into stocks and getting into crypto, what I did, I made a habit of deciding right away how much I was going to invest into either market, but mainly crypto market. So what I did is, and I this is advice I give to anybody: when you do an allotment with your check, oftentimes a lot of people may pay their house note, their car note, and different things. They may have it debited directly from their account so that they don't see it and it just goes and pay the bill. But rarely do you hear people say, I have a certain amount of money coming out of my weekly or biweekly paycheck that I send to a bank account strictly for investing. Yes, they'll have a 401k. I had the same thing. But at the same time, even with that 401k, I was deducting a certain part of my paycheck to go to like a Fidelity account so that I could buy either stocks or I could buy crypto. This is what I did year after year after year. And is it a sacrifice? Yes. But I felt like if you can get these new cars and fabulous house, different people do these things, and why not invest in yourself? So that's how I dollar cost average. And that's how I actually ended up being able to walk away from my 9 to 5, having that dollar cost averaging constantly paying myself. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. So for those of you who are wondering, and again, I'm not trying to talk above anybody or below anybody. It's just that everyone is not at the same level of investment knowledge. Dollar cost averaging, and this is a sheet I'm going to make available on my website as well, which I'll put below. But for now, okay, it's a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money in an asset at regular intervals, regardless of its price. This helps to reduce the impact of market volatility so that you'll always have some cheddar to spend. Now, I had certain amounts going in. You put in what you can afford, but I'm telling you, like it was all told to me, you're not going. We're wired. Let's put it this way, easier way to look at things. You're wired as a human being. What you see in your paycheck, you're wired to make it work, to make it do. So if you automatically stop depending on yourself and stop holding yourself accountable, saying, you know what, when I get paid, I'm going to invest and buy some more KASPA, some more ICP, or some more cryptocurrency. I'm just going to do it. Stop doing that, because when you do that, it becomes less of something that's a habit. However, if you do an allotment, so that money is automatically deducted out of your paycheck, so that and it goes away from your paycheck to another account, or maybe straight into the crypto market, which I know you can do that with Coinbase, then you're more likely to do it. And when you do see your paycheck, guess what your mind is wired to do? It's going to make do. It's not going to worry about that money that went over there. It's not. So this is how you make do. So that's just a little bit of advice from me. So again, you should choose a reliable exchange to do this with, or bank account. I used Fidelity as another one, and I would send my money there. I didn't send this directly to Coinbase or anything like that. I just sent cash over to Fidelity, and I knew within that Fidelity account was straight investment funds. And then I would do with it as I please. So you can do that. And with that, guess what you can buy? You can buy some more KASPA. You can dollar cost average and just buy some every time you get paid, regardless of the cost. Regardless of the cost, you can do that. Or if you're brave enough, you can let it stack up and just watch the price and dollar cost average in that way too. It's up to you on that. You set a budget. Decide how much money can I miss from my paycheck to make sure I get this done. For some, it'll be a little bit more than others. But trust me, if you scale back on some of the luxuries and different things, you'll realize, why am I eating out so much? Why am I buying so much clothes, or doing just more than I really have to be happy? Use that, invest in yourself. Determine how much, and it's right here, and we're using KASPA as the example. Determine how much you want to invest in KASPA each month. This amount should be based on your financial situation and risk tolerance. Everyone is going to be different on there, guys. Schedule the purchase, because again, some people get paid weekly, some get bi-weekly, some are on salary. Just depends on you, and you decide that on a regular frequency for your purchases. This could be weekly, bi-weekly, or like I said, salary, monthly. Choose a purchase date. Guys, you can set all of this up. You can do all of this. Set a specific day of the week or month to make your purchase. That'll help you stay consistent. And that's the name of the game. Staying consistent. I just kept it consistent. I kept that money going out. And when I would get pay raises, you know what I did? I would bump it up $50 or bump it up $20. I will bump it up because I know I'm investing back into me. Next, you execute the purchase, and here you go. On your scheduled purchase day, buy KASPA for your predetermined amount, regardless of the price, and purchase the same quantity of tokens. See, so in my example here I use, you're going to buy it regardless how much it is. You're just going to keep buying it. It's kind of, I know people who buy gold and silver like that. I used to do that as well. Those of you who are interested, let me know down below. I can tell you how to order gold and silver, have it sent straight to your door. I used to do that on a consistent basis as well. I had a predetermined amount of money going to gold and silver, precious metals, and I had a predetermined amount going to the Fidelity account. And then now, here's the most important part, guys. If you're going to do this, and you're going to make it a habit, and you're going to continually DCA in, you have to take care of your crypto. And I'm saying it again, get you a Tangent wallet. I'm put it up on the screen again. My code is down below. take advantage of the deal. You will thank me later. So you got to make sure you have that. And then now, here's some final tips I got for you guys. Stay consistent. Stick to your scheduled purchases even if the price is fluctuating. Stick to it. Just keep buying. You're going to end up coming out on top either way. Research. And this is, you know, you can't do a video with me without me talking about research. Keep up to date with news and developments related to KASPA and the broader crypto currency market. Like I always update you guys on here. You want to keep that up because if anything should happen that you say, hold up, I'm going to have to pump the brakes on KASPA right now, I may not be as bullish as I was, then guess what? You can take that investment, the money that's still going, and you can maybe filter that into something else, which is where I go here. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider diversifying your portfolio with the cryptocurrencies or assets, other assets. So you're going to make sure you stay diversified and you will come out on top. Believe me on this, guys, and be patient. DCA is a long-term strategy. I've done it for years. For years, I did DCA, and I continue to DCA. It may take some time, but you will see results. And of course, this is not financial advice. None of this. I actually put that in here. Always consult with a financial advisor if you have any questions or concerns. Remember, all of this cryptocurrency that involves risk. I am going to put all of that on, keep that on there. It's essential to conduct thorough research and understand the potential risk before investing. So guys, that's something I use. This is something I do on a consistent basis, and that is actually how I was able to finally realize, you know what, dude, it's time to go. It is time to go. It's time to remove certain stresses from your life and get on to building your dream. Not that I wasn't always doing that, but where I could focus on that day in and day out. And I want the same thing for those of you who want that. And I'm telling you, this is one of the blueprints. Stay with me. My next one will probably be on the exit strategy that I have. And I'm going to show you guys how to use it, where to get it, and things of that nature. Also, where to get the merch, things of that nature. So, guys, if you like videos like this, you want me to continue helping you with things like this, by all means, let me know down in the comment section. I'll probably put a question down there. Until the next one, guys, keep dreaming, keep believing, keep hustling. To the next one, I'm out.